Getresponse affiliate program. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make money with Getresponse affiliate marketing. So let's get started. Now, Getresponse is a platform where you can actually create your email marketing. You can create your website, and then you can do a marketing automation and conversion funnels as well. So it is all in one platform that is available for business owners and small business runners, that you can actually have this one platform that gives you all of these different options. I'm going to show you how you can do affiliate marketing from Getresponse and make money. Well, when we talk about making money on Getresponse, there are actually many ways, because when you create a website, you can make money through that. You can do email marketing, you can do marketing automations and conversation funnels. So that things will actually help you make money. And when we're talking about affiliate marketing, so what's going to happen on that is, so we will just sign up for Getresponse. But before we do that, let me show you the pricing real quick, so you have an idea that what features you get in what pricing and is it affordable or not. So you can see the pricing right here. In the free plan, there is a free plan which is free forever. That's actually a good thing, and it includes email marketing, website builder, connect a domain, list up to 500 contacts, landing pages, and sign up and contact forms. So that's pretty good. You can do email marketing, website building, and you will get a domain and 500 contacts. So that's pretty good. Paid plans. Now it is $10.50 per month, and it involves marketing automation, list segmentation, sales funnels, lists for 500 contacts, webinars, live chats, web page notifications, e-commerce features. And after that, there is a max plan, which is the custom pricing according to your custom features, the features that you will have customized and how much they will cost, and then you will definitely have your plan, whatever plan you want. So yeah, not that expensive at all, and you're getting a free plan. So yeah guys, now let's jump on to the Getresponse and get to the dashboard. So what's gonna happen is that when you sign up for Getresponse, it's super easy to sign up for. I am using the free plan right now. So here you will see these different options. For example, menu, list, reports, draft, and create option right above the screen. And then you will see the option of create newsletter, create form, create landing page, add contacts, and create autoresponder. So from here, what's going to happen is we can actually create newsletter, forms, landing page, and contact. What I'm going to do is we're going to do affiliate marketing. So when we do affiliate marketing, there are two things that we need to do. The first thing is choosing a product, right? Now you don't find the products on your Getresponse, but you can create a landing page for your product. For example, if I click on a landing page, I will show you how to create a landing page for your product, because when we do affiliate marketing, we need a landing page for that, because many platforms do not allow you to add the direct link to your affiliate program. So what happens is we need a landing page, and you will find the landing page and you can create the landing page on Getresponse. And once you click on that, here we will create, I will show you how to create a landing page real quick, and then you can just add your links to that page, and you can do affiliate marketing. Your audience will click on links, and that will take them to the product. The links, the clicks, they will buy the product, and that will help you earn the commission that you are looking for from your affiliate marketing program or your product. So what's gonna happen now is that it's just taking a little time to load. So I'm just gonna give it a time, but you can see all the templates right here. General sign up. So before it loads, let me just take to the features real quick and show you how you do the affiliate marketing. So if we go to features, it will just have, okay, so you can see must have marketing tools. You will see right here, if I scroll down a little, you will see email marketing, website builder, marketing automation, webinars, paid ads, landing page conversions, and funnels. So you can have conversion funnels. You will find them right here, and you will see the landing page option. So these two involve affiliate marketing. These two will help you do affiliate marketing. Then there is the SMS marketing. That also helps you with affiliate marketing. We can do affiliate marketing with SMS as well. Again, email marketing. You can do affiliate marketing with your email. as well. So when it comes to the marketing, when it comes to creating your landing page, when it comes to affiliate marketing, Getresponse has these amazing features for you that you can actually avail. So yeah, if I click on any of the template, let's just select this one, the landing page. I'm just gonna give my landing page a name. Make sure that you give the name to your landing page. This should be the name of your product. So let's say that my product was a test product. So it is taking some time to load. I'm just gonna give it a minute, and again we're back to the features. So what happens is when we do marketing automation, now this is a good thing. You can not only do automation, you can do marketing yourself, but Getresponse actually allows you to do automation too. It has automation tools for you that you don't have to do everything yourself. You can have tags and sources and queries and automation flaws, abandoned cart emails, website visitor tracking, and product recommendation. So what happens here is that it will allow you to do automation as well, not only just to affiliate marketing or create email marketing campaigns. You can do automation as well, hire people to do affiliate marketing for you, and when you earn commission, we do high ticket affiliate marketing, right, where we are earning maybe 50 to 70%. So it's not that hard to pay somebody for the automation and to pay Getresponse for automation. You don't have to pay anybody else. In just $8, as we saw the pricing, Getresponse will help you do automation and do your email marketing and affiliate marketing. So yeah, let's go back here. Okay, so you will see this is the landing page. This is how you create a landing page on Getresponse. Now I'm not gonna get into the a full information about how to create a landing page on Getresponse, but it's super easy. This is how you add a product and you have a landing page for your product as well. You can do affiliate marketing, and for that link you will create this landing page. It allows you to add buttons, it allows you to add images, the store, and then you can add videos, forms, and YouTube tutor and different links as well. So this is pretty good. This is basic, very easy to use, and if you are using any plan, then it becomes really efficient for you, and you have the upgraded plan, you have the more features, but not paying that much because it's super cheap. And the good thing about Getresponse is that you actually get response when we talk about customer service. Amazing customer service. And yeah, this is it for Getresponse. What you have to do is just add links. You can create email marketing, you can create your websites, you can create landing pages, and then do a marketing automation and just find the product from any platform. For example, there are many platforms, for example Warrior Plus and ClickBank. They allow you to choose a product. You can have your link, or you have joined any program, have your link, and then Getresponse will help you with email marketing. You will be able to create these amazing, beautiful looking emails, and you can just, then do affiliate marketing. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.